look, a taxi, too. This is my lucky day. I got a nice, bright little taxi. Hold on. Hi, Corey. Hi, brother.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Do you like that taxi light? It's pretty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's a pretty light. It's in the evening, so it's kind of lit up. I'm videotaping.
What the hell?
What?
Hi, niece.
What are you doing home?
I got let go.
Why?
Bye, taxi.
Cause you know, they
Bye, sweetie.
had a full team and they let me go.
Tell me you didn't grab a cab all the way from Halifax Place.
No, I got it from the.
I need to get my paper towel and videotape Lykas. Sorry about the chatting, guys.
No, not
I wasn't
Pine Hill,
supposed to be. Excuse me.
Fuck the Cobbquid Terminal.
That wasn't supposed to be in the video. Sorry about that. But anyway, this video is originally going to be a video about Lykas, so I'm going to videotape her now. Even though it's fucking pouring out. Hopefully it won't break the tablet. Anyway, here's a view. I was going to view her. I'm videoing. No, I don't care.
You don't care if I eat it?
No.
Alright, I'm eating it.
Okay, goodbye. He's just joking. Hopefully. There's Lykas' butt. Nice blue rear. Oh yes. I'm gonna probably send this to my mechaphile friends. Yeah. Oops. Almost dropped the tablet. There she. Where's her muffler? Ooh yeah, there's her muffler. Okay. Luca, you're famous for your nice blue thing. Ooh, yes, so nice. Oh, car coming. Better watch out. You better not get hit by the car. There you go. Nice. Okay. That's all I have to do for today. Yes, I'm showing off your butt to YouTube. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna get some likes from Max. I'm gonna get some friends. Yeah, you sexy. Hi, Dexter. Hope you didn't mind the show. Bye-bye. Sexy girl.